Steve. I hope you're doing amazing today. This is Blinding Lights by The Weeknd. What a cool song. It's super fun. And you normally don't associate it with guitar, but we're going to teach it in under 3 minutes. You're going to learn it in 180 seconds. So let's just go. I got my capo on the 3rd fret, and you start off with a D minor chord. Like that. And you say E minor. I've been trying on my own. A minor, and then it goes to C. Maybe you can show me how to love. Maybe G major. And just keeps doing it over and over again. I've been going through withdrawals, and you can do some palm muting here and get downstrokes like that if you want to, or go like strumming like that. So that you're on D minor. I've been going through withdrawals. You don't have to do too much. That's A minor. And back to C. You can turn on just a touch, baby, G. And then it goes D minor again. Just does the same chords over and over again. Ready? D minor. I've been looking around. It's cold and empty. A minor. And no one's gonna judge me. I can see a C major clearly when you're gone, G, G. And then once again, you don't even have to learn any more chords. You go to Ooh, I'm blinded by the light. That's D minor to A minor. Back to C major, C major, and then G. So the whole chorus just goes. Into the verse and the chorus, same things, D. So the key, because it's the same chords all the way through the song, you got to figure out a way to vary it up, and some palm muting, or just go downstrokes like that. All those are downstrokes right there, going crazy. And then, when you get to the chorus, you can sort of explode if you want to. Just strumming, little volume swells. Try to add some expression to really make this song dynamic. That's it. It's 4 chords. I don't even need 3 minutes. So boom, take that, YouTube. Did it fast. If it's helpful, hit like, hit subscribe, and I'll catch you next time for some more 3-minute guitar lessons with, me, Steve. See ya.